Making the right decision is a multi-step process that involves careful consideration, analysis, and sometimes intuition. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Clearly understand what decision needs to be made and why. Define the problem or opportunity you're facing. Collect all relevant information related to the decision. This might involve research, consulting experts, or seeking advice from trusted sources. Brainstorm and list all possible options available to you. Be creative and open-minded during this stage. Assess each option's potential outcomes, considering the pros and cons, risks and benefits associated with each. Think about short-term and long-term consequences. Reflect on your personal values, goals, and priorities. Ensure that your decision aligns with these factors and contributes to your overall well-being and fulfillment. Intuition can play a valuable role in decision-making. Pay attention to your gut feeling, but also back it up with logic and evidence where possible. If appropriate, discuss the decision with trusted friends, family, or colleagues. They might offer perspectives or insights you hadn't considered. While it's important not to rush into decisions, avoid getting stuck in indecision. Set a reasonable time frame for making the decision and stick to it. After weighing all factors, commit to a decision. Trust yourself to make the best choice with the information available to you. Once you've made a decision, take ownership of it. Be prepared to deal with the consequences, whether positive or negative, and learn from the experience. Remember that decision-making is often an iterative process. Sometimes decisions need to be revisited and adjusted based on new information or changing circumstances. By following these steps, you can increase the likelihood of making informed and effective decisions.